Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox and check out this Adidas Lucky Bag. So it's kind of like a mystery box that you buy. I actually got this from Osaka in Japan. You don't know what's inside. I paid like 10,000 yen for it. That's roughly 5,000 pesos. And the idea is that the stuff inside here, the total value, if you sum it all up, should exceed the 10,000 yen that I paid for. So what are we waiting for? Let's check it out. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we constantly do giveaways here. In fact, we just announced a new giveaway which involves a bunch of gadgets. So make sure that you guys subscribe, follow me on IG, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below for the mechanics of all of our giveaways. For this very special unboxing, we're joined by the lovely wife. Chajan! Hi ka naman, babe.
Hi!
Oh, this is very rare because we rarely see her on the channel, much less see her speak. Why is that?
Kailangan kasi mukbang.
So anyway, the reason why she's here is because this is actually a women's Adidas Lucky Bag. So everything that's in here will go to you. Oh, diba?
Yeah.
So this one's sold for, again, 10,000 yen. So that's roughly 5,000 pesos. So we'll start checking out one by one all of the items inside this mystery box. We'll also tally the price. So first up, so ikaw yung titingin. Diba? Tapos sabihin mo kung ano sa tingin mo kung maganda pa siya o hindi. So first up, we have, wow, doble kagad. We have this set. So it looks like a track jacket and track pants. So maybe you can take it out and then show it to the awesome peeps watching. I know it's just, oh no, cool! So it's like pink at the top and then gray at the bottom.
Yeah.
Ganda. How much is it?
It's
11,000 yen.
already the value of the bag.
Which is already the value of the bag, guys. So dun pa lang, bawi ka na. So again, this is a pink Adidas track jacket. The bottom half is gray. And then it also comes with,
jogging pants.
may kasama na siyang pants. So it's already a set.
Yeah.
So it's 11,000 with the pants.
With the pants.
So again, you have a hoodie and then you have the sweatpants. So dun pa lang, guys, buwi na kagad tayo. 11,000 yen. Now let's take a look at what else is here. There are a bunch of items. So let's check out this one. So it looks like a limited edition shirt. So
This one is 3,990 yen.
so that's roughly 2,000 pesos. So it's a black shirt. What does it say up front? It says 3 stripes.
3 stripes.
Three stripes.
3 stoppers.
3 stoppers, 3 stripes. Kaya siya Adidas, 3 stripes.
Kasi hindi ko parang kala ko,
And what's nice about this, if you take a closer look, the different letters have different like bodies or sports elements of the sports that Adidas actually supports.
Right.
So for example, you have somebody doing, I don't know, boxing,
cycling, swimming, volleyball,
you have track,
badminton, track.
you have judo.
Yeah, may judo.
Yeah, judo.
Okay.
My previous gi when I was still playing judo was actually Adidas. Okay, then we have another shirt. This one is 3,490 yen. So we're approximately around 17,000 yen already, guys. 17.
This one's just a plain shirt.
So we have a
At the
plain
front.
white shirt. It has Adidas at the front. Ano yung nakalagay sa likod?
Ayan, parang
Ah,
website-ish
so it's like a different, parang when Adidas was being designed, the logo.
Oh.
So you have different permutations of the logo test of Adidas.
Ah,
So it's really
logo
cool.
test.
So it's a logo test shirt. Really cool. So this one sells for 3,490. So we're now up to 20,000 yen.
Wow.
That's roughly,
Double.
that's already double the amount, guys. So the last item that we have, just take it out. Of course, we still have to factor in the value of the bag
actual
itself.
bag. So this one's another set.
So we have, it's another tracksuit and jacket. Nice.
Oh, this one is 7,990 yen.
Boom. So we're now at what? 27,000 yen.
Yeah.
27,000 plus yen. Or
So there's
28,000.
that. It's blue and then it's blue and white at the back.
So, and then the pants are the similar color.
Yeah.
Diba? So it's blue and then you have white along the side, then you have the Adidas branding over here. So again, guys, the set is 7,000 yen. So grabe, so far sobrang sulit kasi we have two sets
with
of
two
tracksuits
shirts
and then
inside.
2 shirts. Again, that's just for 11,000 yen or 5,000 pesos.
So the bag,
And then
which looks like a penguin.
The bag itself, which is black and yellow
And
white,
white.
sells for, well, it says it's ano, it doesn't say the actual price of the bag yet. So there's no price tag for the bag because what's inside is supposed to be 10,000 yen. I know this bag is the bag is 11,000 yen and it says there.
Oh.
So this one is roughly 5,000 pesos. So the total value is now at 33,000 yen. So if you compute that into pesos, that's roughly 15,000 pesos.
Hey, not bad.
16,000 pesos.
For 2 sets.
So we got 16,000 pesos worth of Adidas apparel for just 5,000 pesos.
Wow. Awesome.
So, ganun kasulit yung mga Adidas lucky bags, guys. So, if you ever find yourself in Japan this December, because ang alam natin, maraming Pilipino pupunta ng Japan pag December eh. Diba? Regardless if pupunta kayong Tokyo, Shibuya, Kyoto, Osaka, just go to an Adidas store. Lalo na pag January 1, marami nagpapalaki bag.
Yeah. Yung New Year, that's actually where we discovered it. It was
Yes.
New Year this year.
This year.
Guys,
that's actually it for our Adidas lucky bag. So please do check out if you have the opportunity to buy one, go ahead and do so. And now for this part, we'll open another mystery box. So samahan mo na ako sa pagbukas nito. So kung nag-apparel tayo, 'di ba this channel is Sneakers, Life and Tech. So we actually have over here a 12/12 mystery box from Lazada. So kung tingnan niyo yung nakalagay dito, it says there, with love from Lazada 12/12, and you have like Christmas, the elements from the reindeer and stuff like that. So if we pop this open, yun. So tingnan natin isa-isa. So we have 4 items inside the 12/12 mystery box. So tingnan natin siya isa-isa. So first up, babe, ano to?
it's a Bluetooth speaker from JBL.
So it's the Go 2 Plus Grab and Go JBL speaker. Then we have, of course, lahat ng mga mystery box, usong-uso to. Power bank.
Power bank.
From Veger, di ba? Social
Nice.
Veger. And then we also have an anchor cable, which is a lightning cable. So it's made for
Ay,
iPhone,
kailangan
iPad, and iPod. Mukhang may mag-aangkin na nito.
Need this in
Di ba? And we also have an OtterBox commuter case for the iPhone XR.
Wow.
So if you guys are looking for gadgets this holiday season, bag to 12/12 na when I upload it, it's probably 12/12 already. Please do check out Lazada and add to cart nyo na lahat ng mga gusto ninyong bilhin doon.
It's a preview of over 12 million deals expected on 12/12 from December 12 to 14.
Oh, sulit.
Bad.
Okay. And last, ang gusto kong buksan mula sa ating kaibigan, si Ison. So we have the new Realme earphones.
Yay! Wow.
So wireless and isang wired earphones. So these are called the Realme Buds Wireless and the Realme Buds 2.
Wow.
Oh, diba? So geared siya for bass. And alam naman natin, pagdating sa Realme, they're all about value for money. So they're not necessarily like super cheap. They're affordable, but at the same time, they don't sacrifice the quality of the products that they are offering. So buksan natin to para makita natin what it looks like. So ikaw muna, pakita mo yan sa kanila.
So here's what the Realme Buds 2 look like.
The typical black and yellow wired earbuds.
Yeah.
So it has some sort of like cloth cable and then a yellow clip para madali siya
Hindi
mo-organize.
siya cloth. Ano siya? Rubber.
Rubber pala.
cable.
Rubber cable. So wireless siya kasi wireless connectivity to the phone. So it has Bluetooth.
Right.
Diba? So both headsets are actually tuned towards bass. So kung mahilig kayo sa mga EDM, sa hip-hop, ito yung kailangan yung bilhin.
Right.
Diba? So both items are also available during the Lazada 12/12 sale. Oh, magnetized siya.
Magnetized.
Oh, diba? So if you guys need new earphones, be it wireless na sports, para dito, kaya siya ganyan, para hindi siya matanggal sa tenga ninyo. Or if you want basic, bass-heavy wired earphones, check them out. The Realme earbuds. They're both available at the Lazada 12/12 sale starting today. When I upload this video, they should be available already.
Yahoo!
So guys, that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please, lahat kayo dyan, magpasalamat kayo sa ating special guest. Bihira magpakita misis ko sa channel.
Wala may pagkain na next.
So it's a very special treat that we have her on the vlog today.
Right.
So if you want, kung gusto niyo siya batiin, magbati na kayo sa comments.
Ay,
Babasahin
grabe.
natin.
Hi, guys.
So So,
sa
batiin niyo
lahat
siya
ng
ng
bumabate
batiin niyo siya ng Merry Christmas. Tapos i-plug na rin natin. She has a radio show every Saturday. Please do try to tune in. Ano yung plug mo?
Tune in this Saturday, Ople Ascenso, Radyo 5, 92.3 News FM. Ople Ascenso on Facebook. We'll be talking about investor protection sa lahat ng mga gustong sumubok sa stock market. We'll be having the Philippine Stock Exchange over on Saturday. So tune in for that.
Okay guys, so make sure to put that in your schedule. On Facebook, it's Radyo 5?
Facebook.com/Oplan.
Oplan Ascenso. And then 92.3 News FM.
News FM.
12 noon hanggang 2 p.m.
12 noon to 2 p.m.
Okay, every Saturday. So guys, please do support the wife on her radio program.
Yeah.
And with that said, I hope you all enjoyed our vlog for today. Peace, God bless. What's up? Ikaw mag-boom.
Boom.
Boom.